In this video, I'll be explaining to you how to calculate FUOYE screening point. And before we continue, FUOYE means Federal University of Oye-Ekiti. Federal University Oye. FUOYE is a federal university, and FUOYE does not write post-UTME exam. FUOYE only do post-UTME screening, and you will need to calculate screening point so you can know whether you meet up the cutoff mark for the course you are applying for. To calculate the screening point of FUOYE, you will need O-level results, and you also need your JAMB score. So the point for O-level results in FUOYE, A1 is 6 points, B2 is 5 points, B3 is 4 points, C4 is 3 points, C5 2 points, C6 is 1 point. If you are using only WAEC results to apply to FUOYE, or maybe you are using only your NECO result, or maybe you are using one O-level result to apply to FUOYE, you are going to get 10 points for first sitting. 10 points for first sitting, which means if you are using one result, either NECO or WAEC or NAPTEP, you will be given 10 points, which should be added to your O-level results. Which should be added to your O-level screening point. And assuming you are using maybe WAEC and NECO, maybe you want to combine two results, maybe two WAEC results or two NECO results or WAEC and NECO results, you will need 6 points for two sittings. Let me put it this way: 2 sittings will get you 6 points, and 1 sitting will get you 10 points. And if you want to combine results, you can only use 2 WAEC results or 2 NECO results. I heard recently that one can no longer use combined WAEC and NECO results. Yeah, so your JAMB score is 290. You have a JAMB score of 290, and your 5 compulsory subjects, you got this result: A1, B2, B3, C5. Maybe this is your O-level result for your 5 compulsory subjects, and this is your JAMB score. So A1 represents 6 points, B2 5 points, 5 points, B3 is 4 points, C5 is 2 points. So let's add it together. 6 plus 5, that's 11. 11 plus 5, that's 16. 16 plus 4, that's 20. 20 plus 2, that's 22. So from this result, we got 22 points. So let's add it with one sitting, which is 10 points. So this 10 points here plus 22 will give us in total, it will now be 32 points in total. But assuming you are using 2 different results, once you calculate the screening points, if you are using 2 different results, maybe you are taking 3 subjects from WAEC and you are taking 2 subjects from another WAEC result. Once you combine it and add it together, you are going to add it with 6 points. But once you are using only one result, you are going to add 10 points to it. So your O-level result is 32 points if you have this kind of result. And if you want to calculate your O-level result, you can just check and follow this sequence. If you have a JAMB score of 290, how do you calculate your JAMB score and arrive and get your screening point for JAMB score? You divide by 400 and you multiply by 60. You divide by 400 and you multiply by 60. So let's divide 400 by 290. So 400 divided by 290 is 0.725. multiply by 60. So 0.725 multiplied by 60 will give us 43.5. So what are we doing next? We are going to add O-level screening point plus JAMB score. We are going to add the screening point all together to get our screening points, the total screening point. So 32 plus 43.5, total screening point equals 32 plus 43.5 plus 32.0. That will give us 5, 7. So that will be 75.5. 75.5. So once you can calculate this, you can now check for the cutoff mark for the courses, because we have different cutoff mark for each department. So if you are applying for medicine, you will need screening point that is higher above this level in order to compete with others also applying for medicine. And if you are applying for other courses, radiography and other courses, mass communication, you can still use this screening point. So with this, you will be able to calculate FUOYE screening point. And I said earlier that FUOYE means Federal University of Oye-Ekiti. You should be able to calculate your screening point. And if you also want to apply for their post-UTME form, and maybe for other school post-UTME form, you can contact this number. Contact this number to apply for their post-UTME form, or other school post-UTME form. Contact this number to apply. And if you need more updates on FUOYE or other schools, don't charge this number so you can get more admission updates on that. So see you in the next one.